Alright, we're right now at the Shanghai Bund. That's the Pearl Tower over there. That's the Shanghai Tower over there. I think last time I was here was actually in 2006, so it's been a while.
輕笑聲，在為我送溫暖，你為我注入快樂強電。輕輕説聲，漫長路快要走過，終於走到明媚晴天。星星歡呼躍起，像紅日發放金箭。我伴你往日少年重現，輕輕叫聲，共抬望眼看高空，終於青天優美為你獻。擁着你，當初溫馨再湧現，心裏邊童年稚氣夢未。今日我與你又試肩並肩，當年情，此刻是添上新鮮。一望你，眼裏溫馨已通電，心裏邊從前夢一點未改變。今日我與你又試肩並肩，當年情再度添上新鮮。呼躍起，像紅日發放金箭，我伴你往日笑面重現。輕叫聲，共抬望眼看高空，終於青天優美為你獻。擁着你，當初溫馨再湧現。
We're here at McDonald's, and this is our first meal in China. What do we have here?
We have Coke, 2 of them, 2 chickens, some chicken nuggets, some fries, a Big Mac, and some sauce on the side.
Oh, we also have a Happy Meal prize.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. Thank you.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it, Corey. Corey, bring it up. I want to see.
It's Paragoomba. It's hard to open.
Just show it to me. Just show it to the camera. Yeah.
Paragoomba with wings. It's basically this Goomba with wings.